I know. Break you in, then. Get us every day.
Copy myself. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real.
What in the tomfoolery is up? I just chugged a whole Celsius right before meeting up with Steve at the house, so whoa! We got something special today. Steve and I are just gonna run up to Cars and Coffee. I gotta come back tonight, unfortunately, and I do have to work, so I can't stay too long. Also, I put a part on this bike that I don't know if you can see yet. Shout out to my dad for helping me put it on. He did a phenomenal job as always, but you guys will see it whenever we get to the meet. But this meet should be fun. It's just me and Steve going, so I don't know, you know, it's kind of a last minute thing. So I mean, not a last minute thing, but I got so many other things going on right now, man. I don't even pay attention to like Cars and Coffee as much anymore. So it's just me and Steve going, is my point. Like, I didn't invite anybody. I don't think Steve did either, so there might be some of the guys up there, but we'll see. I actually want to ride through all the cars this time, because this is the first time that we'll be there, like, at the time it actually starts, instead of being there early, like, trying to arrange bikes and get everybody in and in the right spot. So, this will be fun. Oh, it's cold. What is that? Pretty sweet. Thanks, man. The human being. Why would you call it that? Oh my god. You might as well just call it... Never mind. Yeah. Let's go up this way and we'll go up. We'll go park over there. That Corvette was in that same spot last time. Let's go. Oh, what is over here, bro? What's up, my man? How are you, brother? Is that a 390? That is a 390. I was thinking about buying one of those. Oh. What's up, man? What's up, man? How are you? Good. Good. Oh, whenever we dip out, I'm full pin in this BI. It feels kit car-y. It feels like a kit car to me. This Lamborghini is super nice. I actually kind of like the color. I didn't think I would. I like this Bronco. I like this. That's, if I had a Bronco, that's what it'd look like. Now, this. It'd be a cold day in hell if I could afford one of these. I'd buy a yellow one. But you did those wheels in black? I love how this guy's like standing there and his clothes are touching my bike. RX-7 TRD Trom. I like this, but obviously I'm a black colored BMW guy. Huh. How about that? Oh, this is that guy's car. Yeah. I remember the color.
He was with us too, wasn't he?
Yeah.
But like the blind spots and then got
Well, this was fun. I'm not gonna full pin it unless somebody asked me to. There's always too much going on when we're trying to leave to be like hooning too much. Get it, get it. Little baby pull. See you, buddy. See you, buddy.